Sitting like a boss, bring the workers out. Press on the exhaust, we be skirting out.
Wait, don't touch it. No. Yeah, we don't touch that one. Where's your bicycle? Were you riding your bicycle? Oh, great job.
Sitting like a boss, bring the workers out. Press on the exhaust, we be skirting out. No, we not the same, what you talking about? Got me all up in your mentions, must have heard around.
Hi friends, what's up? It's Brandon from the Halo Halo Hikers. Today I am in El Mirage dry lake bed with the family, going camping, going overlanding. We'll be doing some off-roading, but unfortunately it's super windy out today. I came to actually test my Jackery solar panels and kind of set up my electric system with that. It's overcast, it's cloudy, and it's very windy, so I don't think this is the best day to be testing out the solar. We're still gonna make a video, we're still gonna have a great time with the family, but in the meantime, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's go have some fun.
Yeah, it's feeling different now. Feel like I'm zoned out, put my phone down, damn it's cold out. Plotting on a rollout, we took our own route, really on our own now. These them winter schemes, plotting for better dreams, cooking flows and melodies for OGs with felonies who've been locked since the 70s. You gotta pray for enemies with jealousy, they only feed off the good-hearted. Just don't bargain, stay in your lane and keep hogging. Know that you a target and gotta finish what you started. Life of being an artist, gotta show them where your heart is. Put your all in, keep calling, keep going, don't stall it. Don't fall for what they all been dishing out. Just be yourself and it'll work it out. I wonder, is it worth living now? They told me dreams come true once you live it out. I picked up pieces from my childhood in a broken house and heal my soul from the trauma we've been given out. I hear the whispers in the wind under smoky clouds and tell myself once again, I'ma work it out. So much shit can happen, yo, it got me tripping now. Yeah, it's feeling different now. Yo, living in doubt could be the death for you. It's only a few that'll rep for you and rarely ones that'll step to you and let you know where you wrong at instead of letting you ride away in your soul. Rather be whole and pure in my spirit. This life never ending until you near it. A lot of shit to bear with. Sometimes you don't want to share it, but don't keep it in cause you fear it. It's an epidemic sound and you can see right where I'm headed. I'm elevated, oh yeah. We was waiting, oh yeah.
I just recently purchased a One Wheel XR, and it's quickly become my most favorite piece of camp gear ever. I don't know if you guys can see or hear this, but it's crazy windy out right now. We were out playing, setting up camp and playing with the kids. They're riding their bike and their scooter on the dry lake bed, just having a good time. You know, I was setting up the camera and the tripod to have a little photo session. And then all of a sudden this huge tornado came through. Like huge.
It's called a haboob.
A haboob?
It's a sandstorm.
Yeah, a sandstorm. Well, I forgot my, oh no, I have my schmog. I should have worn my schmog for the haboob. But obviously, yeah, we were not prepared for this. So we are gonna bunker down and stay in this tent for right now. We got a couple beers, some snacks. We're gonna watch The Grinch and cuddle up with the kids, but man.
What's you knocking?
Oh man, it sounded like someone knocking on.
You just knocked, right?
Oh.
You just knocked. You did that.
No, but it sounded like out here there was. We're gonna see how well the tent holds up. The other thing we're going to test is the Jackery power station. I have that hooked up to the refrigerator right now. It's pretty cold outside, so the fridge shouldn't draw too much power. And then we're also gonna test out this Mr. Heater, portable heater buddy that runs off propane. So if it dips down and gets cold tonight, we should stay warm. This is an indoor safe, tent friendly camping heater. What a crazy night. Just got hit by a tornado, a maboob, a windstorm, whatever you want to call it. It was bananas though. Man, we had like a 5-minute window where we were able to pack the camp and get out of there. So we barely got out in time. I checked the weather forecast and apparently there's more gusts of wind incoming today that are even stronger. So we had to cut our trip a little bit short, but what an adventure. That was pretty crazy. This video is not sponsored by anybody, but there was a few products that I wanted to talk about. Obviously one of them was the solar. I didn't get to really test that out because of the weather circumstances, but a few items that really came in helpful this camping trip is the Mr. Heater portable buddy system. This is a propane Coleman tank I can just set on here. And this thing is indoor tent safe. If it knocks over, it shuts off. It's using propane, and the emissions there's no carbon monoxide emissions being output here. This is safe and friendly to keep inside the tent. And man, it was very nice for the kids. You know, 2 children, small children, and a pretty dainty wife. During the cold temperature, it said 40 degrees on the weather app, but with that wind, it felt a lot colder than that. So that little Mr. Heater kept the tent nice and comfortable. I was wearing a t-shirt and basketball shorts to sleep in. The kids were fine. They were enjoying watching movies on the iPad, and we kind of just snuggled up and had a great night. I think a lot of that I can attribute to staying warm with this little Mr. Heater. The other thing I wanted to showcase one more time was the Set Power refrigerator. It worked great for us. We just kept drinks in it this time. We didn't actually pack any food, but you can see set to 47 degrees and temperatures reading 47 degrees. So I just wanted to make sure that this digital readout was pretty accurate. So I bought that little thermometer there to test it. And so far this thing has held up really great. I'll keep putting it to the test and keep you guys updated with that refrigerator. Oh, and lastly, I have to give credit where credit's due for the iCamper. We were in gusts of way more than 40 miles per hour. The iCamper SkyCamp is a hardshell rooftop tent, and it's rated to withstand winds up to 40 miles per hour. And last night we had gusts way above that. We had the hardshell pointed just in the right direction from the west. The winds were blowing from the west, and we had the hard shell kind of blocking that wind, and it kind of went right over. The aerodynamics were perfect. If we would have had the truck parked in a different angle, and by the time we got in the tent, that might have been a different story. But the iCamper held up great to those winds last night. I have to give them credit. Again, this is not a sponsored video. This is just me complimenting these products that I paid full price for. If you guys would like to see more adventure videos like this, hit that subscribe button. We post videos every Sunday. Hit the thumbs up, comment below. I love interacting with you guys. Have a great week. Get outside, stay hydrated, and keep on moving.